you got one of these? It's the Kidde carbon monoxide smoke detector alarm. And it keeps making this damn beeping noise or chirping. It's loud. This started chirping away about 3 o'clock in the morning. Woke us all up. The dog was barking. Thought something was going on. It's beeping and we've got the red light gives us a single flash every time it beeps. These alarms are a little bit special. They've got a bit of trickery in there. So if yours is beeping and your batteries are okay, oh that's loud, then you need to do a reset or a replace. Let's have a look at the back of it and see what's going on. So we need to twist this to bring it off. In the back there we've got 3 AA batteries. First thing we're going to do is try and replace the batteries in here so we can pop those out, replace them with 3 new ones. Always put in the one at the back here with the little tab in last, so we can pop those in. Hold your ears because it's always loud. We pop the new batteries in there. Last one goes in and you've got to press it then into that thing and it makes a right racket. You ready? Oh, that's loud, it's loud, it's loud. Once we've done that, if it continues to beep and chirp and the little red light flashes, there, did you see that? We've got a problem. Now on the back of these alarms, we have some dates. We've got a replace by date, which is just here, look, it's been stuck on the side. And this one is actually 2012, January 02, 2012. I think we're a little bit out of date, don't you? Slightly. We have had this a long while and it's been really good. This particular model has an 8-year lifespan and that's what they sell it as. We've had this one longer than that. But once it gets to 8 years, the little chip and gubbins inside makes it, yeah, you can't reset it. It's done. Or is it? Let's go and have a look, take it to bits. Okay, here we go. We've got the alarm in the garage. It's got a seal on the side of it, so we split that seal with a screwdriver. Just whiz that round. And then each one of these has got a little tab inside it, so we can pop those tabs and get the lid off it. It's a little bit tricky. Right, we're just getting that side there, just give it a little pry. There we go. Here it comes. Oh, hey, there we go. There it is, right there. Oh, blimey. Flew out, didn't it? Okay, this leads us to the board. This is what we need to look at. So inside here, we've got 2 sensors. We've got a smoke sensor and a carbon monoxide sensor. The thing with this is, over time, these deteriorate. The carbon monoxide sensor deteriorates, so that's why they put the alarm inside there. We can reset this, so let's have a go. Let's show you what we're going to do. What you need is a multimeter. We've got to put the multimeter all the way around to the ohms setting. On the chip here, we need to put the first leg on the back there, and the other one, oh, hang on a minute. We've got a problem though, haven't we? If I reset this, obviously the carbon monoxide sensor is out of date and it's not going to be accurate. What's the point in having this in the roof? If there's a problem in the house, we'd all die. Pretty much we'd die of carbon monoxide and would never know because this ain't working. So I'm not going to even do it. I'm not going to show you how to reset this. Go through this link, buy a new one. If I showed you how to reset this and something happened to you, I couldn't live with myself. So chuck it in the bin, go and buy a new one. I'll bang the links into Amazon. These come in on Prime, next day delivery. Like I say, $19.99 or 2 for 38 quid. Job's a good one. And as if by magic, the delivery man's been with these 2 fellas. Look at these. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Straight from Amazon. Next day delivery. Brand spanking new. And these ones come in with a 10-year warranty. They're coming at 20 quid each, £19. For two of them, yeah, like 39 quid. So what do we get in the box? Let's have a look. See what comes with this this new kit. We have a load of baloney, some screws, instructions. Comes in the sealed bag. This is all about the dust and the air getting in there and setting that sensor off. So let's get the bag out. It looks like it might be the same ring as the old one. Let's just have a look, see if the old one fits this, or have we got to replace that upstairs. Oh no, it's exactly the same, so it's great stuff. That's just going to go straight onto that existing fitting. But we would have just screwed this to the ceiling. There's no weight to this, so a couple of holes, screw that straight up, it'd be fine. This new one as well is now changed to a 9-volt battery. They give us a what looks like a Duracell in there. Let's take it upstairs, go and fit it in the room. Here we go. So there's the new one. The base, like I said, is exactly the same as the old one. So we can just slide that in, rotate it round, locks into place. And then we just close the door.
Push test button.
You don't have to keep your finger on it. You can just push it and let go.
Calm down. Blimey. Oh, shut up.
Carbon monoxide.
Is it finished?
The answer to that is yes. Once you've had the four beeps and a chirp, that's the end of its cycle and it's all ready to go.
Once it's up and running like it is now, you get this little green light will give you a little pulse. About once a minute, I think it is. It'll just give you a little flash, and that's it. It's all sorted now, all done. We'll just let that do its thing. Here we go. This is the other one. This is a really old smoke alarm. We've had this one ages, and it's defunct. So I'm going to replace it with this new one, the carbon monoxide and the smoke alarm. So literally, just undo these screws into the plasterboard. That's one of them. Okay, that's the other. We'll do away with that one. And then we can put up the base to the new one. So you choose where you want it, and the holes are slightly different, so I'll go for one of them, and then I've only got to do one new one. You can use the wall plugs if you want to, but you really don't need to into plasterboard ceilings. They'll take a smoke detector, no problem at all. We'll go just there, and I'm going to put this one in there like that. Oops, daisy. I'll get my screwdriver up straight and screw that straight in there. Oh, a little bit fiddly to get it started, but we'll get there. Okay, there we go. That's one. And two. And then we get the new sensor, and we just do the rotate and lock it into place. Like so. And there it is, all sorted. We can give that a press just to test it. Oh God, it's loud.
Fire. Fire.
Oh, Jesus.
Carbon monoxide.
It's going to give us more. Okay, that should be it now. All set. And like I say, the little green light will flash just once every minute, just give us a little flicker. Beautiful. Job's a good one. If you've enjoyed that, it's been of use to you, links in the description for these alarms. They're a bargain on Amazon at the minute. Yeah, fill your boots. Like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.